Yo, what's up? Welcome back to Miss Dan channel, and today I would like to make a piggy bank using a recycled material. Okay, there are some material to make a piggy bank. The first one is plastic cup, glue, carton paper, knife, scissors, brush, pine. I have two pine. The first one is blue and white. If you like different color, you can use rainbow to make your piggy bank more colorful. And the last one is sticker. Take your plastic cup. You need to paint the plastic cup with the color that you really like. I use white color at the bottom. Okay, I will paint it. After it's done, the plastic cup will be like this. And take your sticker and your glue. Put the glue on the sticker. And put on the bottom of the plastic. To make the top of piggy bank, use carton paper. Make the top by put the plastic cup on the carton paper like this. Make a circle in this tab. After the carton paper have already cut, don't forget to cut in the middle to put your money. Okay, after that, take your glue and paste it on the plastic. Okay, follow the circle. After that, take the straw and put on the top of carton paper. Like this. After it done, you can paint on the carton paper. Use white color. After it, After you follow the step, the piggy bank have already done. Look at this. There's so many color in it, like red, white, and the other color. Look at this. If you like the video, you can subscribe this channel and don't forget to like and comment. Thank you. Goodbye.